let me walk you through on how to schedule recurring investments in Acorns. If you want to invest on a regular basis and you want to do it automatically inside of Acorns, let me show you the process that you need to follow. Once you're inside of the Acorns app, you'll need to head over to the investing tab, or you may also see a section called invest on the home page. Just tap on it and you'll land on this screen. Now inside of this screen is going to show you the investments that you made on your Acorns account. To add in a recurring investment, you'll see the section called recurring, and by default it is going to say off. So just tap on the recurring option. Now once you're inside of the recurring investments option, there are two things that you need to do. Select the amount that you want to invest on a regular basis, and then also select the when, which is when you want this recurring investment to be made. So the minimum amount is going to be $5 as by default. As you can see, just tap on this option and then you can type in the investment amount in this section and then tap on set recurring amount. Once the first step is complete, the second step is of course going to be when you want to set it. Either you want it to be on a daily basis, weekly basis, or a monthly basis. You can select that option inside of the when section. Once that step is also complete, you can now tap on turn on. Once you do, the recurring investment will be instantly turned on, and based upon your settings or the date you selected, these recurring investments will be automatically made by withdrawing from the bank account that is linked with the account of Acorns. So that's all there is to schedule recurring investments in Acorns. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video to be helpful. Also make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos.